One of the best things about the program that helped me feel confident and feel competent at this point is working in student clinic for a whole year of actually seeing real life people come in with all different pain, dysfunction, all different types of bodies, and being able to actually have the experience and putting hands on. You know, at first, like you first couple clinics, you're like, ugh, you're like scared to, at least for me, I was like, okay, how much pressure, what am I doing? But then as you go on, like now I'm sure all my classmates feel the same way. Like we feel ready to go out there and help people, you know, because I've been personal training for a long time, and helping people get in shape is somewhat rewarding. You know, you get in shape, but then they stop seeing you, they feel good. But from student clinic, I learned helping people get out of pain and seeing that look on their face, or when they make connections in their own head and they're like, oh, like I get it. Like that was, yes, this is what it means to, you know, make an impact and feel good about the life you're living.